Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you beauty reviews with a touch of real expertise. If you're someone who values the power of a flawless look, but is also searching for a product that delivers results, you're in the right place today. Let's talk about Grande Cosmetics 5 Steps to Fab, a product that promises a complete makeover in just 5 simple steps. With full coverage and a natural finish, this liquid formula is designed to streamline your beauty routine. But how well does it perform? That's exactly what we're diving into. This product is designed to deliver full coverage while leaving a natural finish, and it comes in liquid form, making application easy and smooth. The idea is that you can achieve a flawless, made-up look without feeling heavy or cakey on the skin. Let's take a closer look at what you're getting in this formula. It's a blend of color and skincare benefits designed to work on all skin types with a focus on long-lasting wear. Now, I've been using Grande Cosmetics 5 Steps to Fab for a while, and it has certainly become a part of my routine. I was particularly interested in how it layered over different skincare products, as I have combination skin, and often deal with products that either slide off or feel too drying. This liquid is incredibly versatile. It didn't feel greasy, nor did it cling to dry patches. A great balance of hydration without excess shine. I've used it both during the day and at night, and it holds up remarkably well. Whether I was wearing it to a busy workday or for a night out, it delivered. In terms of texture, it's silky, not too thick, which made it easy to spread. I applied it with my fingers, but for more precision, I'd recommend a brush. It's buildable too, so if you want more coverage in certain spots, you can layer it without worrying about it looking too heavy. Like any product, it does have its pros and cons. On the positive side, the finish is really what stood out to me. It delivers full coverage but still looks fresh, not mask-like. The formula is smooth and it blends beautifully into the skin. It also held up well against my oily T-zone, which is always a win in my book. However, there were a couple of downsides. The bottle could use a better design for dispensing. It's a bit tricky to control how much product comes out at once. Also, I found that the formula works best when you apply it to a well-moisturized face. Without proper prep, it can feel a little more drying, especially if you have drier skin. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this product is on the pricier side for a liquid foundation, but it does deliver. You're paying for a solid formula that performs well in different conditions. It certainly lives up to its promise of providing a full coverage, natural finish. If you're looking for a foundation that won't make your skin feel suffocated and can stand the test of time, this could be a good investment. Comparing it to other foundations on the market, I would say that Grande Cosmetics 5 Steps to Fab stands out in terms of its coverage and finish. If you compare it to some drugstore options, it's definitely more high-end in terms of quality, but it may be worth it if you're looking for that professional, long-wear look. If you prefer a lighter option for daily wear, there are certainly alternatives, but this product would work best for those who need something that's a bit more robust. The build quality is solid. The bottle is sleek and elegant, but again, the pump could be improved to ensure you get the perfect amount every time. As for longevity, I can say with confidence that this foundation stays put. It doesn't oxidize or slide off, which is a common concern for liquid foundations, especially if you're out and about for long hours. In terms of customer support, I've heard positive things about Grande Cosmetics, with many customers mentioning fast and efficient service. However, I didn't need to interact with their support directly, so I can't speak to that firsthand. If you're after a budget-friendly alternative, there are some options out there that deliver similar performance, but they may not have the same full coverage or finish. Brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal have foundations that rival the wear time, but you might sacrifice a bit on the flawless finish and buildability. So, does Grande Cosmetics 5 Steps to Fab live up to its claims? Absolutely. If you're someone who wants high coverage, a natural finish, and a foundation that stays put, this is a solid choice. While the design of the bottle could be improved, the formula itself is top-notch, making it a great pick for those who want a polished, fresh look that lasts. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and share your experience with me. I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support really helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.